Hi everyone, tonight I'm at my friend's 40th birthday party. Yep, we're getting old. We're over 40 now. This friend Marcin, who you've seen him in the previous vlogs. Good to catch up with my friends. He's one of my oldest friends. We actually went to preschool together. Can you believe it? Me in preschool.
Kids are insane.
Yes, I was very, very naughty. But so was Marcin.
Checkmate.
But the funny thing is, we've been friends for now, 34, 35 years. What? Wow. He's got 2 kids, beautiful wife, beautiful house, wonderful job. We're gonna celebrate his birthday. One thing that I've learned about Polish birthdays is they're pretty much like Polish weddings. There's a lot of alcohol, it's free flowing, and there's a lot of food. So one lesson to learn when coming to a Polish wedding or a Polish birthday is never eat too much and always control your drinking, because you never know how much there's gonna be. Wow. No dobra. All right, old friend. How do you feel? 40.
I feel very good.
Feel good?
Feel good, I feel good. Very good.
We are old.
Oh, you are old.
No. We are both old.
No.
Yeah, we are 40 now.
Oh, you are old.
No, we have to change. We have to be more mature. We have to eat better. We have to exercise more.
Eat little bit.
Little bit? No, malo.
Little bit.
Mało?
No better, little bit.
I think no.
Okay.
I think the most important thing is we always have to. Trzymaj.
Okay.
We always have to drink water. Tasty water from potato.
Yes.
No, na zdrowie. We know each other 34 years.
44 years.
34 years. Od 6 lat. Od przedszkola.
To nie od 6.
Jak? Przedszkolu
Od 36.
Nie no, 4 latka?
Od 36 się znamy.
Od 4 latka?
One eternity later.
34 lata, tak?
No to 34.
Okay,
Maths is hard.
Old man.
Anyway, happy birthday.
Thank you.
Thank you for being my
Thank
friend
you.
so many years. Here's to another 40 years.
Yes, 80.
In 40 years we are here dancing again.
Ah.
Okay. Did you like your surprise, Marcin? birthday.
Dziękuję ci bardzo.
Ah,
I love
next
you.
time. Yes, teraz. All right, Marcin, listen. You are 40 years old now, so welcome to the club. 40 years old. You need to do 3 things. Number 1, look after yourself. This is love. You know, you gotta look after yourself, you gotta exercise, you gotta treat yourself well. Number 2, you gotta sleep well. You gotta make sure you get your 8 hours of sleep. And number 3, make sure you enjoy life. You have a beautiful, beautiful wife, gorgeous kids, fantastic family. Enjoy it all. Happy birthday, 100 lat, you stara dupa.